Good morning, everybody. Am I audible to all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Today is the first class in your college, and I am welcoming you all on behalf of College of Engineering Management, Kolhagat. And actually, in the previous years, always there will be some introduction with the students occurs, some introduction session, that is what is the environment of our college, what are the different labs are there. You have to present physically, and then you have to see that what kind of labs are there in our college, what kinds of environment are there, which are the classroom, where are your classrooms, etc., etc. First of all, you have to visit that. Then the class will start. But in this year, that also will be done. That also will be done from the next week. That also will be done from the next week. You will visit our college, and there will be some introductory session with you, and director sir, register sir, all will introduce, all will visit with you, and there will be some introduction session will be there, and then physical class will be started in the next week. I hope in the next week, from the next week, the class will start via physical mode. And but in this week, just we will give you some brief of our subject. That is, in my case, it is chemistry. I am the teacher of chemistry subject, so I will give you the brief of the subject chemistry. And if it is possible, that mathematics teacher also will give the brief of the mathematics, but I don't know whether they will give the introduction or not. But today, just I will give you the introduction about the syllabus of chemistry, and what are the books which you have to follow, etc., etc., and how the examination happens, and how we have to face the question answer, etc., etc. All the brief, all the things I will discuss today with you. And we will not start today any lecture class, that is for the subject particularly. I will not start any lecture class for the subject, or I will not start any chapter. That I will start in the physical mode. When you will attend in physical mode, then that lecture class will be started for the different chapters. But today, just I will give you the brief of the subject. And so, first of all, I would like to share a PowerPoint PPT, and uh, where you will see that what are the different what are the syllabus are there, what are the marks distributions are there, which books you have to collect from library, etc., etc. I hope you did not collect any book from library. Have you collected any book from library?
No, sir.
Okay, actually,
No, sir, no, sir.
actually, I think permission is not given to you all. When you will come physically after the introductory session, physically with you and director sir and HOD of the different departments, then I think the permissions will be given to you to collect book from library. Okay, so before that, today just I will give you the brief about the chemistry subject. Now I will share with you that PPT. Uh, Actually, before that, first of all, I will take the attendance, right? I'll take the attendance. Then I will give you the brief of the subject chemistry by sharing the PPT. Just a minute. Uh, I think most of you have know your in college roll number, and some of you did not know your college roll number. So first of all, I will take the attendance and I will tell your name according to your roll number. First of all, you give your attendance. Okay. First, ECE group, Electronics and Communication Engineering, ECE group. Roll number 1, Ritom Jana.
Present, sir.
Roll number 2, Subhronil Ghosh. Subhronil Ghosh. Roll number 3, Swapnil Manna.
Present, sir.
Roll number 4, Diyasi Nag.
Present, sir.
Roll number 5, Omkika Das.
Present, sir.
Roll number 6, Sanglap Das.
Present, sir.
Roll number 7, Oitik PA.
Present, sir.
Oitik B.
Oitik Bera. Bera.
Oh, I think there is a mistake in your title.
Oh,
Okay. You must correct this one. When you will come to the college, you must correct this one. Okay.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Otherwise, in your when you do the registration, then there will be the mistake. So you must correct this one immediately when you will come to the college.
Okay, sir.
Rule number 8, Navanita Das.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Navanita Das, but your name it is shown DS. I think DAS, right? Your title,
Yes,
your
sir.
title, your title
DAS.
is yes. Your in your title also you have to correct this one because it is showing DS only.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Roll number 9, Neha Maiti. Neha Maiti, absent. Roll number 10, Devosmita Maiti.
Present, sir.
Roll number 11, Pradipta Chaudhuri.
Present, sir.
Roll number 12, Rupak Sen. Roll number 12, Rupak Sen, absent. Roll number 13, Subodhi Mondal.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 14, Sohima De.
Present, sir.
Roll number 15, Sujit Maiti.
Present, sir.
Roll number 16, Srijan Das.
Present, sir.
Roll number 17, Saurabh Ghosh.
Present, sir.
Roll number 18, Sam Sundar Pal. Roll
Sir.
number 18.
Yes, sir.
Sam-
Yes, sir.
okay,
Samsundar Pal. Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay. Roll number 19, Orgho Panda. Orgho Panda.
Present, sir.
Your what is the name of your? What is the spelling of your name? What is the spelling of your name?
ARGHYA PNDIT.
PN
EIT.
or DIT. Your name and title both are wrongly written here in the roll list. Okay. In the name part, it is written as ARGHA. So it would be ARGHYA, and in your title it is written Panda, but it must be Pandit, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have to correct this one also. PNDIT. You must correct it on the first day when you will come in the college. You must correct it. In the first day, you must
Okay.
visit to the academic office, or you will consult with your departmental HOD what you have to do. And the first day, you try to correct your name and title, etc., etc. All must you must try to correct this one. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. No, actually, your roll number. What is your roll number? Or Pandit?
Sir, my roll number is 20.
Oh, your roll number is 20. No, that
Yes, sir. Yes.
is no. In that case, that is okay. But in the previous roll number 19. Who is roll number 19? What is your name? Are you present? Roll number 19. Orgho Ponda. Okay, actually, Orgho Ponda. It is written the name as Orgho Ponda. I think his name it is okay. It is correct. It is correct name. But I took the mistake that I think that your roll number is your name is Orgho Ponda, roll number 19. Okay, okay. Orgho Ponda is absent, Orgho Pandit is present, right? Roll number 20,
Yes, sir.
Orgho Pandit, you are present.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Roll number 21, Monisha Bera.
Present, sir.
Okay. Roll number 22, Shreya Bhumik. Shreya Bhumik. Roll number 22, Shreya Bhumik.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Roll number 23, Nirmalo Burman. Roll number
Present, sir.
23, Nirmalo Burman. Okay, present. Roll number 24, Partho Pratim Roy. Roll number 24, Partho Pratim Roy. Absent. Then roll number 25, Ritik Jana. Ritik Jana.
Present,
Roll
sir.
number,
Present,
okay.
sir.
What is the spelling of your name?
HRITICK.
Okay, okay. Then that is okay. Roll number 26, Sohana Khan. Sohana Khan.
Present, sir.
Okay. Roll number 27, Chayan Goswami. Chayan Goswami. Absent. Roll number 28, Sarthak Bera.
Present, sir.
Roll number 29, M. Kusi.
Present, sir.
Okay. Roll number 30, Vansika Sukla. Vansika
Present,
Sukla.
sir.
Okay. Roll
Excuse
number
me,
30.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm Khushi. My spelling is wrong.
Oh, so your spelling is wrong. What is the spelling?
KHUSHI.
KHUSHI.
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. MC.
Yes.
Okay, you must also correct this one when you come to the college. Okay. Next, roll number 31, Amar Bhattacharya. Roll number 31, Amar Bhattacharya. Roll number 32, Sheikh Ranis Uddin.
Present, sir.
Okay. Next, roll number 33, Sayon Bhuiya.
Present, sir.
Roll number 34, Chandan Banerjee.
Present, sir.
Okay. Roll number 35, Saurangsu Maiti.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 36, Rakti Mollik. Rakti Mollik.
Present, sir.
Roll number 37, Arnab Roy. 37, Arnab Roy. Roll number 38, Aniruddha Chakraborty.
Present, sir.
Okay. Roll number 39, Deepanita Mondol.
Present, sir.
Okay. If your name or title it is wrongly written, you must inform me. Okay. I will correct it in the attendance sheet. Roll number 40, Sohini Bhuiya.
Present, sir.
Roll number 41, Sahil Hussain Midda.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 42, Ritam Sarangi.
Present, sir.
Roll number 43, Subham Dinda. Subham Dinda. Roll number 43, Subham Dinda. Roll number 44, Subhojit Maiti.
Present, sir.
Roll number 45, Santanu Samanto.
Present, sir.
Roll number 46, Soham Mandal.
Present, sir.
Okay. After roll number 46, there is no name enlisted here. So you please tell me the name. Tell me your name if you know your roll number after roll number 46. And if you don't know your roll number, then also you must tell your name. Okay. Is there anybody roll number 47? 40 after 46, after 46 roll number, is there anybody who know your roll number in EC group? In EC group, is there anybody after 46 roll number who who know your roll number after 46 roll number? Is there anybody in EC group who know your roll number? Okay, then you tell your name. Those who are in the EC group, those who are in the EC group but did not know your roll number, tell your name, please.
Sir, present, sir. My name is Subronil Ghosh.
Subhronil Ghosh. Subhronil Ghosh, you did not know your roll number?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I have to write your name. Subhronil Ghosh. Next, EC group A. Next.
देवत्ता गुसाइत
What is the spelling of your name?
DEBATMA
Next, is there anybody left in EC group?
Sir, sir, I am late. Sorry. Can you present me?
Yes, of course. But do you know your roll number? Do you know your
Yes, sir.
roll
My
number?
roll. Yes, sir. My roll number is 4.
Your roll number is 4. In which
Yes, sir.
stream? In which stream?
EE.
Okay, in electrical group, I did not take the attendance yet. So when I will take the attendance, you will respond. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So is there anybody left in EC group?
Sir, my roll number is 2, Subronil Ghosh.
Your roll number is
2.
Oh, then you know your roll number.
Hmm.
Okay. Is there anybody who did not know your roll number in EC group? Once again, I am repeating the name who is absent in EC group. Neha Maiti, EC roll number 9. Neha Maiti. EC roll number 12, Rupak Sen. EC roll
Present,
number
sir.
Rupak Sen, you are present. Why you joined late?
Yes, sir.
Why? Okay. Next, roll number 19, Orgho Panda. Roll number 24, Partho Pratim Roy. Roll number 27, Chayan Goswami. Roll number 31, Amar Bhattacharya. Roll number 37, Arnab Roy. Roll number 43, Subham Dinda. Okay. And I think there is nobody left in the EC group. Already I have written one name, Devatma Guchai. And is there anybody left in EC group Otherwise, I will take the attendance of electrical. Okay. So in case of electrical, first roll number 1, Vishnu Sankar Manna. Are you present? Vishnu Sankar Manna. Are you present? Absent. Roll number 2, Rahul Digar.
Present, sir.
What is the spelling of your title?
RAHUL
Huh?
DIGAR.
DIGR. Okay. Roll number next. Roll number 3, Osmit 9. Roll
Present, sir.
number Osmit 9. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Roll number 4, Dipanita Oja.
Present, sir.
Roll number 5, Ornav Mal. Roll number 5, Ornav Mal. Roll number 6, Devasis De. Roll number 7, Partho Ghoda. Roll number 8, Orgho Pal. Roll number 8, Orgho Pal. Roll number 9, Alurjyoti Chaulia.
Present, sir.
What is the name? What is the spelling of your name?
ALORJYOTI.
Okay, Alurjyoti.
Alor Jyoti Chawla. CHAULY.
Okay, okay.
Thank you,
Next
sir.
roll number. Okay, next roll number 10, Subroto Banua. Next roll number 11, Rupankar Manna.
Yes, sir.
Rupankar Manna. Okay. Your title is written wrongly in the roll list. Okay. Your title is written as M double N A, but it must be M A double N A. You must correct this one when you come to the college. Okay. Roll number. Okay. Roll number 12, Annesa Vera.
Present,
Roll
sir.
number. Okay. Roll number 13, Devjit Bhuiya. Devjit Bhuiya. Roll number 13. Roll number 14, Onkita Jana. Roll number 14, Onkita Jana. So many students are absent in electrical. What happened? They did not know the information. Roll number 15, Sankho Das.
Present, sir.
Roll number 16, Sudipta Duari.
Present, sir.
Roll number 17, Supriti Mahis.
Present, sir.
Roll number 18, Abhimanyu Kumar Singh.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 19, Prabir Maji. Roll number 20, Soumitra Adab.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 21, Sayantan Kamle.
Present, sir.
Roll number 22, Ritika Maiti. Roll number 22, Ritika Maiti. Roll number 23, Devapriya Jana.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 24, Suman Jana. Roll number 25, Orgho Jana.
Present, sir.
Roll number 26, Anish Manna.
Present, sir.
Roll number 27, Somadip Das. Roll number 28, S. Tejas.
Present, sir.
Roll number 29, Aisik Das. Aisik Das. Roll number 29. Roll number 30, Sayandeep Giri. Roll number 31, Sayan Roy.
Sir, 30. Present, sir.
Roll number 31, Sayan Roy. Roll number 32, Saurabh Pal. Okay. So many students are absent in the first class in electrical stream. So it is not expected from you. In the first class, so many students, if the so many students are absent, then it is not a very good sign. So, roll number 1, are you present? Vishnu Sankar Manna. Those who are absent, once again I repeated their names. I am repeating their names, those who are absent. Roll number 5, Ordom Mal. Roll number 6, Devasish De. Roll number 7, Partho Khara. Roll number 8, Orghopal. Roll number 10, Subroto Banua. Roll number 13, Devjit Bhuiya. Roll number 14, Ankita Jana. Roll number 19, Praveen Maji. Roll number 22, Ritika Maiti. Roll number 24, Suman Jana. Roll number 27, Soumodip Das. Roll number 29, Oisik Das. Roll number 31, Sayon Roy. Okay, so many students are absent in electrical stream. I have to inform this to the HOD. Now, in electrical stream, if there is anybody who did not know your roll number, you can tell me your name in electrical stream. Those who did not know your roll number, college roll number, you can tell your name right now. Is there anybody? Okay, I hope there is nobody without knowing your roll number. Now, let's start. I will share you the PPT, but before that, I want to ask you something, that how many students are from uh, uh, not from Bengali medium, from English medium? How many students are there from English medium?
I'm from English medium.
Suhana Khan. Which medium?
ICC
Sir, I
board.
am from English medium too.
All of you, you must turn on your video. Turn
Okay,
on your
sir.
video, all of you. Turn on your camera. Turn on your camera. All of you, turn on your camera. Only few students I have seen. Turn on your camera. Yes, how many students are there who are from English medium background? Sohana Khan, and then
Sir, I am
Sir,
from
me
English.
too.
Asmit Snai, and then
Yes.
Saurabh Ghosh,
Sir, Pradipta Chaudhary, sir, from English
Pradipta
medium.
Chaudhary. From which board? From which board?
Sir, I studied up to class 10 ICC board, and 11, 12 I studied in CBSE board.
CBSE board, 11, 12 CBSE board. Okay. Then next, Srijan Das from CBSE board. Okay. Next,
Sir, I am
Sir,
from
Saurabh Ghosh.
Dipanita Mandal from which board?
Sir, ISC and ICSC.
ICSC. Okay. Then next,
Sir, Saurabh Ghosh.
Saurabh Ghosh from which
Sir, CBSE board.
CBSE board. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then next,
Sir, I am
Sir,
from English medium.
Abhimanyu Kumar Singh. Abhimanyu Kumar Singh from which board?
CBSE board.
CBSE board. Okay. Then next,
Sir, I am Tejeshwar, sir.
Tejas
CBSE
sir.
board.
Tejas sir from CBSE board.
Yes, sir.
In which state? In which state?
Sir, Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Okay. Next, is there anybody left from English medium background? M. Kusi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. From which board?
So I completed my 10th from ICSE board and 11, 12 from CBSE board.
12 from CBSE board. Okay. From which state? From which state?
West,
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. You can repeat.
West Bengal, sir.
West Bengal. Okay. Next,
Sir, I am from West Bengal board.
West Bengal.
Bangla medium.
West Bengal board means West Bengal board English medium.
Bangla medium.
Okay, now I am asking about the English medium. Okay. Next, is there anybody left who are from English medium background? Is there anybody left who are from English medium background? Okay, so I have seen that only 10 or 12 people are there from the English medium background. So almost 80% are from Bengali medium. So initially, when we will discuss in English in the class, initially you may face problem that will not be able to understand what we are discussing in the class. What we will discuss in the class, you may not able to understand. But this is not a very big problem. Okay, and initially, if you are unable to understand what we are talking, what we are giving the lecture in the class, you must contact with the teacher, with the class teacher after their class in their room, in the room. Okay. Otherwise, if you think that no, I have some doubt, till I will not clear my doubt, I will not go to the class teacher, then there is a problem. Then you may face problem and your problem will not be solved. So if you have any kind of problem you will face in the class, if you are hesitate to ask the class teacher in the class, then you must meet to the class teacher in their room. Okay, if you have any kind of doubt are there in the class. But you must try to clear your doubt. Otherwise, you will face problem. So this is the first thing I am telling you. From Bengali medium, when it will be transferred to the English medium, initially you will face problem. So in this way you have to overcome. And also you have to, what we will discuss in the class, you have to try to write in English, not in Bengali. Suppose we will discuss some topics in the class and we are writing something in the board and you understand that also, but you write that in Bengali. That is not a good practice. That is not a good practice. Whatever you will write down, you will try to note it in English. You may be wrong, that is okay. You may be wrong, there may be grammatical mistake, but till you try to write in English, then you will learn to write in English. Okay, and also you have to practice the writing. You have to practice it to improve your writing skill. More and more you will write down whatever we will discuss. More and more you will write down in your own language, or whatever we are write down, you must try to memorize it. Otherwise, you try to write in your own language. Okay, writing skill is very, very important. Whatever we will discuss, you try to write down. That writing skill is very, very important to improve yourself. Okay, so these are the very important words to all of you. Clear? Is it clear to everybody or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
okay. Now I will share you the PPT. Is it visible to everybody? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now your subject name is Chemistry 1. In the first year syllabus, have you seen the first year syllabus? Have you got the first year syllabus? Have you any idea how to collect the first year syllabus? Have you any idea? Have you known? Just please respond, say it, yes
No,
or
sir.
no. Okay.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. You must respond it. Otherwise, how can you know that you know everything? Okay. Just you see. I think the screen is visible to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just to see how to collect your syllabus. You must download it in this way. You in the first of all in the Google you type Makeout exam. You must write down this one. Makeout exam, and you press enter. Then here you can see new syllabus. Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
New syllabus?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
In the new
Yes, sir. Yes,
syllabus, you will click, and when you will click, then you will see AICTE UG course. AICTE UG course. When you will click this one, then you will see the syllabus. Different syllabus for different course. These are the name of the course. These are the course code, CV, curriculum structure. These are the details you will see. Okay. তাহলে কিভাবে দেখতে হবে তোমরা শুনতে পেয়েছো তো? বুঝতে পেরেছো?
হ্যাঁ, স্যার।
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, for electronics and communication engineering, you will go down. And we'll go down. Then you will see this is electrical BTech in electrical engineering. Okay, and this one the first semester. You have to collect the syllabus of the first semester. This is the first semester syllabus. Okay, so this line is important. So under electrical, you have to click this line, this one. When you will click this view, then the page will open. And under electronics and communication engineering also, when you will click this one, that will also open. The tab will open. Okay, then you will see the syllabus for ECE and electrical. The same syllabus will be there. For ECE and electrical, there will be same syllabus. Okay, in this way you have to download this one. You have to download this syllabus. Now under this, when you will go down, you will see the details of your first year syllabus. Okay, now in the first year there is here you can see the star mark. Here you can see the star mark. This star mark, it is for mathematics, CSCIT, and mathematics 1B all stream except CSCIT. Okay, that is this one. Mathematics 1B for EC and electrical. তোমাদের জন্য মানে EC electrical দের জন্য mathematics 1B. Okay, and physics/chemistry. In this semester for EC group there will be chemistry subject. In the event semester there will be physics subject. And basic electrical engineering is common for everyone. Basic electrical engineering. Okay, and this is the practical syllabus. In this semester there will be chemistry and chemistry 1 laboratory, then basic electrical engineering laboratory, and then the engineering science courses are there. Workshop, etc. All will be there for I think group B. From group B, this type of syllabus will be there: engineering, graphics, and design. Okay, so this is the overall syllabus, and this is the first year syllabus is there. And 101, this 101, it is the code for first semester 1. This 101 means what? এই যে দেখতে পাচ্ছ সবাই, have you seen this one? BS PH 101, BS PH CH 101. PH
Yes, sir.
101 means, yes, PH 101 means this one indicate first semester. Okay, one indicate first semester and two indicates second semester. When you will see 201, M 201, BSH 201, this is for second semester. Okay, and 101 it is for first semester. So in the first semester, three subjects you can see. Theoretical subject chemistry. For you have chemistry for EC and electrical, then mathematics 1B and basic electrical engineering, and these are the practical subject. Okay, so you will see the details of your syllabus here, and then you will see the chemistry syllabus here. You can see the chemistry syllabus. Chemistry syllabus is the subject code is BSCH 101, because you are for the first semester. You are of the first semester. So this is the subject code is BSCH 101, and the course title is Chemistry 1. Okay, and lecture, tutorial, and practical is 0. 3 lectures and 1 tutorial. Total credit is 4. And this is the whole syllabus. Again, I will repeat in the PPT, which I will share with you. Now, this is the whole syllabus is written here. You can see. Okay. And here also the name of the books also are written here. And this is the syllabus of the mathematics. And then this is the syllabus of basic electrical engineering. So all the syllabus, all the information you will get from here. Okay, so in this way you have to download your syllabus. All of you must download today. All of you must download today the whole syllabus. And the sir will also, on the other class teacher also will send you the syllabus. But before that, in this way you will know. In this way you have to collect the syllabus. Clear? তাহলে সবাই syllabus collect করতে পেরেছো?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, okay. So now I will share this PPT. So the name of the subject is Chemistry 1, and the subject code is BSCH 101. Now credit is 4 credit course, and 3 lecture and 1 tutorial. Contact hour means 3 lecture, 1 tutorial. Now the course objective is very important. Why you will read this course? Why you will learn this course? The course is designed to strengthen the fundamentals of chemistry and then build an interface of theoretical concept with their engineering aspects. Okay, now that means you have to strengthen the fundamental of chemistry. Fundamental of chemistry is very important. Fundamental idea of chemistry is very important, which will build the interface of theoretical concept with engineering aspects. That theoretical concept will be applicable in your engineering field. Okay, some of the theoretical concept of chemistry will be applicable in your engineering field. Now the current course is deal with the concept of atomic and molecular structure, periodic properties and their application, some common thermodynamic terms with their characteristics, physical significance and mathematical expression, the basic principle of spectroscopy and its application, fundamental ideas of electrical conductivity and electrochemical cells with their energy storage devices, the theoretical basis for understanding organic and inorganic molecular structure, properties and reactivities, understanding the principle of stereochemistry and application in different organic reactions. So these are the current course deals with the different concepts. Now, what are the course outcome? When you will learn everything, then what will be the outcome? The outcomes are there will be you will gain the ability to explain the atomic and molecular structure, properties and reactivities which are interrelated with each other, and ability to apply the basic concept of spectroscopy to determine various molecular structures and ideas of different properties of various molecules caused by different intermolecular forces, and ability to recognize the differences between ideal and real gas, and ability to explore the concept of thermodynamics, the mechanical application of power generating machinery, basic knowledge of various electrochemical cells with their technological applications like batteries and fuel cells, and capability of evaluate the various physical and chemical properties of atoms by the application of periodic table, and realize the importance of stereochemistry by solving different chemical problems and various organic reaction and their application to the synthesis of some drug molecules. So these are the course outcome. If you will learn the course, these will be the different course outcome will be there. Now, this is the overall syllabus. This is the overall syllabus. Now here you can see the syllabus. Here you can see the syllabus. First, number 1, atomic and molecular structure. Atomic and molecular structure, and the atomic and molecular structure, here you can see Schrodinger equation, particle in one dimension box, solution and its application, molecular orbitals of diatomic molecules, energy level diagram of diatomic molecule, pi molecular orbital of butadiene and benzene and aromaticity. Then crystal field theory, it is written in the red mark. Why it is written in the red mark, that I will tell you later. Then band theory, band structure of solid and role of doping of band structure. And number 2 is spectroscopic technique and application. Spectroscopic technique and application, under this here you can see the syllabus, principle of spectroscopy, electronic spectroscopy, fluorescence and vibrational and rotational spectroscopy, application, nuclear magnetic resonance and magnetic resonance imaging, surface characterization technique, diffraction and scattering, etc. The third chapter is intermolecular forces and potential energy surfaces. Potential energy surfaces, it is currently omitted from the syllabus, but intermolecular forces are there. That is ionic, dipolar, van der Waals interaction, equation of state of real gas and critical phenomena. Now number 4, use of free energy in chemical equilibria. First and second law of thermodynamics, thermodynamic function, energy, entropy, free energy, estimation of entropy and free energy and EMF, cell potential, Nernst equation and application, acid base, oxidation and reduction, solubility criteria, water chemistry, corrosion, use of free energy consideration to metallurgy in Illingham diagram. Illingham diagram, we will not discuss this one. It is not so much important. We will not discuss this Illingham diagram. Now number 5, periodic properties. Periodic properties, that is effective nuclear charge, penetration of orbital, and then variation of STDS orbital, of energy of the atoms in the periodic table, electronic configuration, atomic and ionic sizes, ionization energy, electron affinity, electronegativity, polarizability, oxidation state, coordination number, hard, soft, acid, base, molecular geometries, etc. Now number 6 is the stereochemistry. Stereochemistry, representation of three-dimensional structure, structural isomer and stereoisomer, configurations and symmetry and chirality, enantiomer, diastereomer, optical activity, absolute configuration, conformational analysis, etc. And isomerism in transition metal complex, it is also written in red color. Why it is written, I will just tell you. Now number 7, organic reactions and synthesis of a drug molecule. Synthesis of a drug molecule we will also not discuss. Okay, synthesis of a drug molecule will not discuss. Only we will discuss introduction of the reaction involving substitution, addition, elimination, oxidation, reduction, cyclization, ring opening. Okay, synthesis of a drug molecule we will not discuss. So these are the overall syllabus. These are the overall syllabus, and why the sum of the topics are written in red marks. Why the sum of the topics are written in red marks? Here you can see crystal field theory. Okay, crystal field theory and its application, energy level diagram for transition metal complex, and here you can see coordination number and geometries, and here you can see isomerism in transition metal compounds. Why these are written in red color? Because these is are included in the under a different chapter that is known as coordination chemistry. Here you can see that coordination chemistry. Under this chapter, this is not in your syllabus. তোমাদের সিলেবাসে এটা আলাদা করে মেনশন করা নেই. This is not mentioned in your syllabus separately. That coordination chemistry is a separate chapter. It is not mentioned in this way, but some part which are written here in the red mark, some topics are under this chapter coordination chemistry. So we will discuss this chapter separately. We will discuss separately this chapter in the class. Okay, and when we will separately discuss this chapter in the class, then we will discuss these red colored topics. These red colored topics we will discuss under this chapter coordination chemistry, which will be discussed separately in your class. Okay, and these are the other chapters. These are the other chapters already I have mentioned. Now out of the 7 chapters, if you include this one, the last one, coordination chemistry, so there will be total 8 chapters are there. So out of these 8 chapters, how many chapters are new to you? How many chapters are known to you? How many chapters are unknown to you? Tell me first. Which chapters is totally unknown to you? You have already read in 10 plus 2 level. You already passed the exam of higher secondary. So I think you know about the chapters. You have some idea about those chapters. I have already shown you the topics, different topics under the different modules or chapters. So can you tell me that which chapter is totally new? It is totally unknown for you. Which chapter? And which chapter you have the idea? Already you read in HS level, higher secondary level. Response, please response. It is not. Which one?
7. Organic reaction and synthesis.
Organic reaction and synthesis, it is new.
Somewhat it was deleted in CBSE.
No. This part, synthesis part, it is okay. It is new. It may be new. But besides the synthesis part, organic reaction, it is new to you. You did not read in HS level. Organic reaction means substitution, addition, elimination. You did not read. Addition, elimination, oxidation, reduction. This type of reaction you did not read in HS level. Okay, cyclization, it is maybe new to you, but otherwise the other topics, substitution, addition, elimination, is it new?
No, the others are new.
Others are new. But which chapter is totally new? কোন চ্যাপ্টারটা একেবারেই তোমরা হায়ার সেকেন্ডারিতে পড়োনি? Can you tell me? Anybody? Stereochemistry, have you any idea about the stereochemistry? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, stereochemistry also enantiomer, diastereomer, optical activity. I think you read it in HS level.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, and periodic properties
Yes, sir.
also
All.
known to you.
Yes, sir.
Ionization
Yes, sir.
potential, electronegativity, electron affinity. It is also known to you. And
Yes, sir.
then the fourth chapter, use of free energy, first and second law of thermodynamics.
Yes, sir. Also.
It is also
Yes, sir.
known.
Also, also known, sir.
Yes. EMF and cell potential, Nernst equation. I think it is also known to you. Acid base. All these are known to you.
Yes, sir.
Now, some part may be new, but the overall chapter, if you consider the overall chapter is known to you. That is, suppose this one. In case of this one, van der Waals interaction, I think it is known to you. The equation state of real gas, তোমরা পড়েছো?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ, real gas equation. Have you heard the term real gas equation, ideal gas equation, real gas equation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Van der Waals equation. Real gas equation means what? Van der Waals equation. So I think that also you have read in as HS level. P plus n square A by B square into V minus NB equal to nRT. I think that also we have read in HS level. Okay. So, and the first chapter, the Schrodinger wave equation. Have you heard the name Schrodinger equation?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, it is also known to you. Particle in one dimension box.
Yes, sir.
Particle in one dimension box. I think you did not read in HS level.
No, sir.
Okay, it is a new one. And
New one,
molecular
sir.
orbital theory also it is known to
Yes,
you.
sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
molecular
Yes,
orbital
sir.
theory is also known to you.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
bimolecular orbital of butadiene benzene, it may be the unknown. It may be the
Unknown, sir.
unknown part. Aromaticity,
Yes, sir.
aromatic compound,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
it is also known to you. And crystal field theory, it is also known to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So most of the chapters are known to you. Only one chapter is totally unknown. Which chapter? This chapter. Spectroscopic technique and application. Spectroscopic technique and application. This chapter is totally new. এই চ্যাপ্টারটা তোমরা পড়ো। Okay. This chapter is totally new. What is the contents of this chapter? That is already I have discussed. That is vibrational, rotational spectroscopy, nuclear magnetic resonance. This chapter, I think it is unknown to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody from the state outside West Bengal? Have you read this chapter, spectroscopic technique and application?
No, sir.
Okay. So this chapter is totally new. So first of all, I will take the class of this chapter. Here you can see that these are the different chapters which will be taken by different teachers. The abbreviation of the teachers are given here. BJ. BJ means Dr. Biswajit Jana. He will take the class of this chapter, atomic and molecular structure. And I will take my name is Amit Jana. All of you know that. The abbreviation is AJ. I will take this chapter, spectroscopic technique and application. Then intermolecular force I may take or BJ sir may take. It is not decided yet. And use of free energy in chemical equilibrium, it will be taken by Biswajit Jana sir and Madam Dr. Surmishta Bose Madam will take this chapter, use of free energy in chemical equilibrium. Now, again I will take this chapter, periodic properties, and stereochemistry also I will take, and organic reactions also I will take this chapter, and coordination chemistry part also I will take this chapter. So I will take the chapter, this one, maximum chapter I will try to cover. This one and this one, maybe this one. Okay. and the other chapters will be taken by sir and madam, BJ sir and SP madam. And I will start this chapter in the next class. In the next class, I will start this chapter. If the class will start in physical mode, then I will start this chapter. Which chapter? Totally new chapter to you, spectroscopic technique and application. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
now,
Yes, sir.
okay, sir. Now this slide is very important. Which books you have to cover? Which books are required? Here you can see that these are the name of the books. First of all, you try to collect the green colored book. That is it is written in the green color. The books is not the green color. It is written in the green color. Chemistry 1 by Gaur Krishna Das Mahapatra. Okay. Chemistry 1 by Gaur Krishna Das Mahapatra. You first try to collect this book. Okay. And if then you try to collect this book. Fourth volume, K.L. Kapoor, fourth volume. Then you try to collect, this is number 1. Then this is number 2. Then P.C. Rokhit, physical chemistry, number 3. And then stereochemistry, Subrata Sengupta, number 4. Then inorganic chemistry by J.D. Lee, number 5. Then I.L. Finner, number 6. Okay. And if you did not get this book, J.D. Lee, then you will try to collect this book, R.P. Sarkar book, Inorganic Chemistry, General and Inorganic Chemistry, R.P. Sarkar, that is number 7. Okay. So first of all, in library, you try to collect the new edition. Okay, new edition of this book, not the old edition of this book. Actually, I have a copy, then I will show you the books. Actually, I have another copy. That is violet color book. Okay, violet color book is the new edition book of G.K. Das Mahapatra. Just a minute. I think. A minute, okay, just a minute. This book, okay, this one. Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
color?
Yes,
The
sir.
color of the book?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is the book. You have to try to collect this one. The color of the book, this is the cover page. This is the cover page. Chemistry 1 is written. This book, this colored book. Okay. And so these are the books. This is the first one. You must try to collect this one in the order which I have mentioned. In this order, you try to collect. এটা ফার্স্টে কালেক্ট করার চেষ্টা করবে. If you did not get this book, then you will try to collect this one. This is number 2. If you did not get this book, then you try to collect this one. If you did not get this book, then in that case you try to collect this one. In this way, you try to collect this one in this way. Okay, this one or this one. But all the chapters are covered only in this book. এই বইতেই কিন্তু সমস্ত চ্যাপ্টার কভার করেছে G.K. Das Mahapatra book. But in the other books, suppose in this book, the chapters, these 2 chapters are covered: atomic and molecular structure and spectroscopy. These 2 chapters are covered in this book. In this book, physical chemistry, this chapter is covered. Use of free energy in chemical equilibria, intermolecular force. These 2 chapters are covered in this book. And in this book, that is basic stereochemistry by Subrata Sengupta. It is the specialized book for this chapter, stereochemistry. Okay, this is the specialized book for stereochemistry. For the chapter periodic properties, either you can correct this one, J.D. Lee, or you can correct this one, that is inorganic chemistry for R.P. Sarkar. And for the chapter organic reaction, you try to collect this book, organic reaction I.L. Fina, organic chemistry for I.L. Fina. Okay. And for coordination chemistry chapter, this book is very important. J.D. Lee book. J.D. Lee book is very important. Clear? So, first of all, you try to collect this book, G.K. Das Mahapatra book. If you did not get this book, then you will ask me, then I will tell you which book you have to collect. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
গৌরকৃষ্ণ দাস মহাপাত্র বইটা কালেক্ট করবার চেষ্টা করবে লাইব্রেরি থেকে। যদি না পেয়ে থাকো তাহলে আমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করবে যে এটা আমি পাচ্ছি না, আমি স্যার তাহলে কোন বইটা কালেক্ট করব, তখন আমি তোমাকে কোন বইটা কালেক্ট করতে হবে বলে দেবো। কিন্তু অবশ্যই ওই যে নতুন সিলেবাসের জিকে দাস মহাপাত্র বই, নিউ এডিশন জিকে দাস মহাপাত্র বই তোমরা নেবে। যে কালারটা আমি দেখালাম ওই কালারের বইটা তোমরা নেবে, পুরনো বই নেবে না। পুরনো বইতে অনেক পুরনো সিলেবাসের আছে, পুরনো সিলেবাস কিন্তু চেঞ্জ হয়ে নতুন সিলেবাস হয়েছে। ঠিক আছে?
ঠিক আছে।
আচ্ছা, নাও দিস ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট থিং, মার্কস ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন। Marks distribution is very important. This is the last slide. Marks distribution is very important. The total marks is 100. Total marks is 100. Now internal 30 marks, external 70 marks. External 70 marks means end semester exam. End semester exam, that is university exam. After towards the end of the semester, when you will appear in the university exam, then that mark will be 70. But the internal mark is 30. Okay, 30 marks. How these internal marks are distributed here? These internal 30 marks are distributed in this way. These are the distribution of marks. What? PowerPoint presentation, it may be PowerPoint presentation, or it may be report writing, it may be midterm test, it may be assignment or quiz, or it may be attendance 5 always will be there. Attendance 5 is different. And this 25 marks is distributed in this way. 70 plus 30, just a minute, I think we are in confusion. Total 700 equal to 30 plus 70. Now out of 30 marks is divided in this way, 25 plus 5. This 5 mark is for attendance. This 5 mark is for attendance. Now these 25 marks are distributed in this way. Okay, that is either PowerPoint presentation or report writing or midterm test or assignment or quiz. Okay, now these 25 marks of internal assessment will be carried out by 4 continuous assessment mark, that is called CA mark. CA মানে কি? CA means continuous assessment. CA means continuous assessment. That is, we will assess your performance continuously within a period of 1 month or 15 days or 20 days. We will assess your progress by CA marks. What are they? CA1 25, CA2 also 25, CA3 also 25, CA4 also 25. But in your case, in this semester, due to the lack of time, CA1 marks will not be included. Only there will be your marks distribution will be started from CA2. CA2 25, CA3 25, CA4 25. In the next semester, there will be all these 4, CA1, CA2, CA3, CA4 in the next semester, that is in the event semester. Now it is odd semester. In this semester only there will be 3 continuous assessment will be there, CA2, CA3 and CA4. Okay, now CA2, in case of CA2, how there will be the CA2 will be assessed? This CA2 will be assessed either by this assignment or quiz or this report writing. PowerPoint presentation will be for CA1, so it is not included here. PowerPoint presentation will not be included. It may be either report writing or assignment or quiz or this test or a class test, internal class test. Okay, internal class test will be there. That will be for CA2. Now CA3, how there will be the CA3? CA3 marks will be assessed. For CA3, there will be the mid-term test. Is a mid-term test hobe. This mid-term test will be for CA3. Mid-term test. Mid-term test. Mid-term test of 25 marks. That will be for CA3. And CA4 will be university, that will be arranged by university online MCQ test. Online MCQ test. That will be of 25 marks. Is it clear to everybody? CA3 and CA4, is it clear to everybody? CA3,
Yes, sir.
that is
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once again, I am repeating. CA3, it will be of midterm test, and that midterm test will be of 25 marks. That will be arranged by our college. That is, we will prepare the question and we will assess your assessment. We will check your copies. Okay, that is, we will arrange everything internal. But CA4, it is not in our hand. That will be conducted by university, and that will be MCQ test. MCQ type of questions will be there. 25 MCQ type of questions will be there. That will be of CA4. So that will be not in our hand. And CA2, this CA2 marks will be distributed in this way. We will give you maybe assignment. We will give you assignment. Okay, plus in the classroom we will take a class test. We will take a class test in the classroom. Okay, or there will be there may be report writing. There may be report writing will be there. Okay, clear? In this way, we will assess CA2 marks. Assignment, class test, or assignment or report writing. Assignment or report writing and class test. Assignment or report writing and class test, that will be of CA2. Okay, is it clear? Visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ক্লাস টেস্টটা হতে পারে 15 মার্কের 15 মার্কস আর অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা হতে পারে 10 মার্ক। ওকে, so whatever you will get the number, and this total 25 means how much? যদি CA1 বাদ দিয়ে দিই, যদি আমি ধরো CA1 বাদ দিয়ে দিই, তাহলে if I omit CA1, then CA2 plus CA3 plus CA4 is total how much? How many marks?
75.
75. But we will assess 25 marks. So out of 75, university may take the average of these three, or they may take the best of three. We don't know that. Okay, but CA3 marks and CA4 marks is very important than CA2. CA2 থেকে কিন্তু CA3 এবং CA4 কিন্তু বেশি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। এই 75 মার্কসটাকে মানে টোটাল হচ্ছে 25 from this 25 university will take may take best of 3, or that they have their own calculation. Best of 3, either they may take best of 3 base of 3, or there may be their own calculation. We don't know their calculation. আমরা তাদের calculation জানি না. Okay, so out of 75 it will be converted into 25. Out of 25, whatever you will get, that will be included in your 25 marks, plus 5 marks will be for your attendance. Okay, so in this way the marks are distributed. Okay, the marks are distributed in this way. And another thing I will again mention, that is CA3, CA4 is the most important. Okay, if you perform very well in CA3 and CA4, then your 30 marks will be internal 30 marks will be improved. You will get a high marks out of 30. But if your CA3 and CA4 both are very poor, if you get 4 marks in both CA3 and CA4, then your 30 marks will be down. But if you get very good marks in CA3 and CA4, then your 30 marks will be very high. Okay, so CA3 and CA4 is very, very important. And CA2, because in CA2 you will get very good marks, but you will see when you will appear in CA3 and CA4, your marks will be down. So you try to improve, always you try to get a very good marks in CA3 and CA4. Okay, my words is clear to you or not?
Yes, sir.
বুঝতে পারি তো সবাই?
Yes, sir.
CA3 এবং CA4 টা কিন্তু খুব গুরুত্ব দিতে হবে, CA2 টাতেও গুরুত্ব দিতে হবে, কিন্তু CA2 টাতে তোমরা মোটামুটি নাম্বার তোমরা পাবে, কিন্তু CA3 CA4 এ কিন্তু নাম্বার পেতে গেলে তোমাদের কষ্ট করতে হবে, ঠিক আছে? And another thing, from the first day when we will start the main chapter to discuss in the physical mode class, then you from the very beginning you try to be very serious in the class. That is, seriousness means, suppose we are discussing some chapter in the class, after the discussion you must try to note down in the class, and then on that particular day you must read that topics in your home. Okay, but if you think that sir, I have discussed this, okay, I will read it after 2 weeks or 1 month or 2 months or just before the exam, then your performance will be definitely down. I can assure you, your performance will be definitely down. So you try to practice whatever we have discussed in the class on your everyday's routine. According to your everyday's routine basis, you try to practice it. Okay, otherwise you will face problem. Don't think that after just before the exam I will read everything, and just before the exam I will be prepared well and I will pass the exam. Then you may pass the exam, but your result will not be very good, because this syllabus, within a very short period of time, this syllabus you have seen that it is a huge syllabus. It is a huge syllabus, so you must try to follow every day. You must try to note down and you must try to read the topics every day. Okay, clear? Is it
Yes,
clear
sir.
to everybody?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will not waste any further time. If you have any queries or if you have any doubt, you can ask me.
স্যার কোনো আপডেট আছে কবে শুরু হবে?
I have already mentioned that there is a chance to start the college from the next week, and there will be first some introductory session with you, and then the main class will be started. From the next week, in the first half there will be maybe introduction with directors and with the guardians of you. And in the second half, there may be the class in the physical mode. That timetable will be given to you. Okay, there is a possibility. I cannot say that definitely in the next week the class will start, but there is a high possibility to start the class on the next week. Introduction in the first half, and in the second half there will be the lecture class. Lab class will not be started in the next week. Lab class may be started in the next to next week. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Is there any other queries regarding the question regarding that marks distribution or syllabus or anything? Is there any other queries? Is there any doubt? You can ask me.
Sir, can we collect all books?
No, you
In
can
physical
collect
time?
only maximum 2 books, I think. You have to ask in library. I don't know the rule of the library. You have to go to the library and ask the librarian that how many maximum books you can collect. Okay. Not only for chemistry, you have to collect the books for other subject also. So for chemistry, you try to collect only 1 book. For other subject, for each subject, you try to collect 1 book. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You ask to the library that how many maximum books you can collect. Any other queries? Any other doubt?
Sir, CA3 and CA4 exams when will be conducted?
CA3 and CA4 towards the end of the semester, just before your university main exam, 70 marks. Just before university end semester exam, 70 marks, CA4 exam will be conducted. Okay, and that will be via online mode and MCQ test that in the happening that will in our college that exam will be happen. And CA3 marks just 1 month before CA4, just 1 month before CA4 exam, CA3 exam will be happening. That is, CA3 marks will be given on the basis of mid-term exam. I have already mentioned the mid-term exam. Mid-term exam time already mentioned korechi. That mid-term exam, that CA3 marks will be assessed via the mid-term test. Mid-term test. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
mid-term test will be of 25 marks. That is just before 1 month or so of CA4, CA3 mark exam will be happening. That is mid-term test will be happening, or mid-term test will be take place on just before 1 month of CA4 exam. Okay. Is there any other doubt? Is there any other doubt or any other queries? If you have any other query, you can ask me.
Sir, when our end semester exam is conducted, means which month?
Maybe end of December. Maybe middle of December, not end of December. Maybe middle of December or first week of December.
Okay, sir.
So you will not get any enough time. Okay.
Or midterm?
Midterm maybe first week of November, maybe. That schedule will be given. That whole schedule will be given to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You have to be very serious from the first day. Again, I am repeating. So I hope you will be serious, because you don't think that you will come to the college and you will relax a little bit, then you will start to read seriously. But in this way, if you think, then you will suffer. You will get 4 marks in the exam. So you have to be very serious from the beginning. Okay. আচ্ছা, আর কোনো ডাউট আছে? আর কোনো কোয়ারিজ নেই তো কারোর? তাহলে আমি লিভ করব। If you have any other queries, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will leave.
স্যার এই যতদিন না অফলাইন ক্লাস চালু হচ্ছে ততদিন অনলাইন ক্লাস হবে তো?
যতদিন না মানে এই উইকেই একমাত্র অনলাইন হবে আমার যেটা মনে হয়। পরের উইক থেকে আমার মনে হয় ফিজিক্যাল মোডেই ক্লাস শুরু হয়ে যাবে। বুঝতে পেরেছো? এই উইকটাতেই কেবলমাত্র অনলাইনে হবে আমার মনে হচ্ছে যেটা। পরের উইক থেকে অফলাইনে স্টার্ট হয়ে যাওয়ার সম্ভাবনা আছে।
ওকে স্যার, ওকে স্যার।
Sir, I have one query.
Yes.
Sir, out of this discussion, we get a email from our college.
Yes.
This AIML and ML webinar. Can we join or?
Just a minute. AIML, yes, you can join when there is a webinar is there.
5th September at 10 a.m.
5th September. You can join, no problem. You can join.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I hope there is no more questions from you. Then I will leave. Okay. Bye everybody.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye. Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.